Hello guys, today I'm doing a really pretty bluish purpley look. I'm just going to put some concealer over my eyes like so. I'm just going to gently blend that in. And then once I have finished with the concealer, I'm going to add this pretty light brown shade. And I'm just going to place this onto my eyelids like so. Just making windshield wiper motions, even in my crease. And I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm just going to place that in my crease just to give it some more depth. And then once I'm finished with this, I'm going to add this purpley brown shade and just dab that onto my outer corners. And then I'm going to take this navy blue shade and I'm going to apply this to my lids. And it's a little bit hard to see, but it did add a nice blue sheen. And I'm going to add this more bluish color, very similar to the navy color, and I'm just going to apply this to my lids. And then take this ocean blue color, and I'm going to apply that to my crease area. And with these colors, you have to add a lot, because it was a little hard to see. I noticed. Then I'm going to add this dark navy color and apply this to my lids. And this color gave it, this is the color that gave it like a really nice navy blue color. So I'm just packing that onto my lids. And I'm taking this beautiful blue color and I'm going to apply that on top to give it kind of a shimmery blue look. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX liquid liner. I'm just going to apply this on my lids. I'm not going to do a wing, just putting it on my lids. Then I'm using my Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. And I'm just going to apply this on my lashes. And then I'm adding concealer onto my right below my eyes, bridge of my nose, between my eyebrows and my chin. I'm just going to blend this in. Just gives it a really nice bright look once the look is finished. I'm taking this purple color and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash line gently. And then I'm going to apply this lavender gel liner onto my lower lash line. Be very careful not to poke your eye. Then I'm going to apply my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, my lower lashes. Then I'm going to take my highlighter, it's like a bluish color from ColourPop, the brand ColourPop, and I'm going to apply this in my inner corners. And then I'm going to take my Fairy Floss lip gloss, ultra glossy lip, from ColourPop as well, and just apply this on my lips for a nice nude lip. That's it, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this look. I will see you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Bye!